scripting. Okay, we're going to make two examples and we're going to do them real quick because when I tried to make this last video it was too long. So let's go ahead and get started. Make sure you're in the shell scripts directory that you made in part 1. And we're going to start off by doing vim test 3.sh. Press enter. And in this one we're going to make bash script. So go ahead and press the insert key and do a pound !bin/bash. Press enter, type clear, and then press enter and then echo quote, do you want to run a new terminal window, end quote. Select yes, no, in yes, no. Do. Okay, tab, case, $, yes, no, in, press enter, tab, yes, gnome terminal. Because I'm in Ubuntu, so it's GNOME terminal. I don't know what distribution you're using, so whatever it is, put the terminal command for that one. Exit, exec, and done. Okay, press enter, and we're going to do escape key, colon, WQ. So we're going to write, save, and quit, press enter. Okay, chmod +x test 3.sh. Press enter. We're going to execute it. Do you want to run a new terminal window? Press 1, press enter. Bam, there it is. Pretty sweet, huh? Okay, we're going to close that window. And see, it's still in a loop, so we have to exit out. And you're going to say no, so 2. And see, it exits out. Clear it. And now we're going to do another one. Vim test 4.sh. Press enter. Press insert, pound, !bin/bash. Press enter. And this is going to be a long one, so try to keep up. I'm going to do comments. I'm going to make some comments in here. Okay, it's going to separate it so it looks kind of clean. While we're going to do this in a while and a do loop. Okay, clear, echo my title, echo, which gives you a space, echo 1. So this is going to be command 1. Oops, okay, echo and in order to make a option for us to do an input, we're going to do this. Echo -in, please enter an option. Bracket 1 through 3. Okay. End quote. Press enter. Read OPT, which is short for option. Okay, I'm abbreviating this. And we're going to do case, and then the variable we just made. And then 1 parenthesis, and then what we're going to do is our command 1, and I'm going to use NSLOOKUP. Okay, something I just thought up in my mind. Semicolons, press enter, 2, command 2. I want to make a GNOME terminal. Okay. Don't forget your semicolons. Make sure everything's spelled correctly. It's not going to work. And you just have to reopen it and edit what you just did. In 3, we're going to exit, semicolons, okay. Press enter. And now I want to add something, asterisk, and then the parenthesis, and then we're going to add echo, star, or dollar sign, I don't know why I say star. The variable that we just typed is an invalid option. There we go, invalid option. Okay, and then yeah, invalid option. Press enter to continue. Sounds good. Okay, and I'm gonna do a read enter key. So it will read the enter key and when we press enter, okay? And then press enter, ESAC, done, okay? Press enter, escape key, colon, WQ to save, save and quit, press enter. Okay, chmod x plus x, sorry. Test4.sh, press enter, and then we're going to execute it. Okay, see it shows my title, command 1, command 2, exit, we're going to run command 1, see, and this lookup worked. And I'm going to exit that, and see it's still in the loop, so it has an exit out when we exit out what we're using in our commands. So 2 is supposed to be the num terminal. There it is again, sweet, huh? And then we want to exit out when we're done. There you go, guys. You just made a menu script so you can run as many commands as you want or automate your tasks. And you also made a question, so it says yes or no, and if you said yes, it'll do what you wanted to do. If you say no, then it won't do what you wanted to do, and it'll exit out. Isn't that pretty sweet or what? Let me know what you guys think of it, and please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys, for watching. Appreciate it.